The way that it works is you actually create your own Facebook group. Let me see if I can go and find one of mine for you very quick. All right, so this one's called free skincare samples and giveaways. I'm going to give you all the link. That's the group. Okay, so the idea is that you create these groups. This one's called free skincare samples and giveaways. If you go to Facebook and search for that, you'll find it. And as you can see, the purpose of the group, it was a test group that I did just to teach my advanced Amazon inner circle, a particular marketing strategy that I was showing them. But the idea behind it was that you would bring people into this group, and then from there, you would then say to them, hey, do you want some free stuff in exchange for some reviews, tacitly of course. And yeah, you get reviews for your product that way, okay? So it's a good way of doing that. So Howard, the groups are not set up. You set up the group. You set this group. So for me, I set this group up, and then I fill it full of people who are potential customers for my product who also want things for free. And there's an entire strategy around that, which I don't have time to go into. But that's it. So you're not looking for groups on Facebook. You set up your own group on Facebook and do it that way. So that's how that works. However, there is a very good argument on the back of that, Howard, to say that it's a good idea. Lots of people requesting access. I will tell you, you're okay to request access. Just know I don't use that group. Like if you just scroll through it, you'll see I literally set it up just to demonstrate how easy it was to do a particular thing for my advanced inner circle, but I don't actually use the group. Okay, so you're welcome to sign up for it, but just know I don't use it. So there's a very, very good argument to be made for going to Facebook and checking out that your audience is already on Facebook, particularly if you are planning to use outside traffic sources outside of Amazon to promote your product, like Facebook and Google and Bing and Pinterest and Instagram and things like that. YouTube, also amazing. So there's a very good argument for that. And but in my experience, Facebook's got 1.3 billion people who use the platform. The majority of the adult population in Australia uses Facebook, which is fascinating and unbelievable. And also the majority of the adult population in the USA, the UK, uses Facebook too. So it is extremely unlikely that you wouldn't be able to find your target market on Facebook. All right. So hope that helps for you, Howard. No worries, Howard. So Harry said, oh, I see, I misunderstood. Yep, no worries, mate. It's all good in the hood. All right, so Christina says, and if you have got the Amazon PPC training course, I should probably just mention, if you got my Amazon PPC training course and you didn't get the upsell, which was like $47, I just made it ludicrously cheap for this entire thing. Email me if you want it, and I'll hook you up with it. It's only $47, but it's such a good thing. It's such a good idea. Works really, really well. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.